Tariff talk is shaking up the financial markets, and yes, it's hitting mortgage rates too. But here's the real story. Naperville homes are still selling fast. Values are up nearly 9%, and the buyers that win, well, they're not obsessing over interest rates. Hey, I'm Grano with Keller Williams Infinity right here in Naperville. I'm also the host of Naper Bites on NCTV and the Naperville Real Talk podcast. But today, we're going through your April 2025 market update, starting with a quick look at what's happening beyond real estate that is affecting the market. So let's talk tariffs, everybody's favorite topic right now. Well, recent headlines and news around the tariffs that are going into place have made investors really nervous. And when Wall Street flinches, it affects not only the stock market, but also the bond market. And that includes mortgage-backed securities, which directly impact your mortgage rate. So here's what happened. Investors pulled out of bonds, bond prices dropped, and yields rose. So as a result, mortgage rates ticked up, moving from the mid-sixes to the high sixes, with some lenders now quoting near 7% or above again. But here's the deal. Don't obsess over rates. Focus on the right house, the right location, and the right long-term play. You can always refinance if rates drop, but you can't rewind and buy the house that got away, and especially not at the price it's listed at today. So let's talk about Naperville specifically. Median sale price hit over $737,000 for a single family home. That's 8.5% up year over year. The average days on the market dropped to 31 days, and that's just an average encompassing everything. The median days on the market are closer to just a week. Now, closed sales jumped 12.7% compared to last year at this time. That's a huge increase, but inventory is still low, with just 94 homes on the market at the end of March, down from 100 at this time last year, which means competition is strong, especially for well-prepped, move-in ready homes. And for those homes, sellers are still getting a pretty penny. In fact, on average, sellers are getting just over 100% of their list price. Now, here's the key. At the time of this recording, there are actually 30 homes right here in Naperville under contract that have never even hit the public market. That means they never showed up on Zillow, Redfin, or Realtor.com. And one of my lucky buyers has a contract on one of those properties. So let's talk about what this market means for you. Sellers, the opportunity is still there. The spring window is still open, but you do need the right strategy. Just last month, I helped a seller in Naperville walk away with $50,000 more than they thought their home was worth. I stopped them from jumping on an early offer that would have cost them $25,000, and I helped them navigate a tricky repair negotiation that ultimately saved them thousands and helped them avoid unnecessary risk. Buyers, if you're serious about buying, you've got to go beyond Zillow and get strategic. The right homes are out there, but often being scooped up before they're seen by the public. Ultimately, the odds are good that you'll find yourself in a bidding war, and you need an agent who has the local relationships and knows how to handle that situation and guide you to a win. The final thought, Naperville remains one of the most resilient, in-demand markets in the Midwest. Global headlines might shake up rates, but they haven't slowed down the momentum here in town. Whether you're buying or selling, a smart backed plan by data and negotiation experience is your edge. If you're buying and looking for an off-market deal, or selling and don't want to leave money on the table, hit the link in the description below to get started. Let's talk.